Good afternoon, guys. Manny here, coming to you from the last exit in Florida, heading into Alabama, which is the first state I'm going to cross once I get out of Florida. And here's that big Florida sign right there. It says, "Thank you for visiting Florida," as I go right by it. And I am officially into Alabama. There's the Alabama sign. And I just got through a 20-minute delay because there was a 2-car pileup on this 2-lane road, and the right lane was blocked. So I sat there for 20 minutes waiting to get up back on the road, and just finally cleared it. Yeah, the cars were totaled. I mean, it was ridiculous. One of the tires came off, was off on the opposite side of the road, and everything. And there's the Home Sweet Home Alabama sign right there. And that's also, I guess, the information center that I just passed. And now I'm heading on to San Antonio. And according to the GPS, I had 10 hours and 47 minutes left before the accident. So I just lost 20 minutes. So that's a little over 11 hours now. 11 hours, 7 minutes I got left. And I'm probably going to have to stop for gas 2 more times. As you can see, just under half. When it gets to a quarter, I'm going to go ahead and pull over. And yes, I got it on cruise control, doing 60 exactly. I figure a mile a minute. Hey, and so far today, no tickets. And there was some FHP on the road. They were pulling people over left and right from Texas. And speaking of Texas, I must have seen like 20 cars already with Texas plates heading back home. But anyway, so, and I'll see you guys again once I make the next crossover. All right, talk later. Bye.